guys, if you're new to this channel, you're going to get food, travel, and lifestyle videos over here. And today's video is going to be different. So if you are not subscribed yet, do subscribe because I'm going to start this series called Blinkit Finds. And today we have a bag full of cracks. Like literally, cracks has this much varieties, and I never knew about it. So let's start, and this is going to be the first as I have shown it to you. But wait till last because this has so many unique products. I never heard about that. So let's start. I am going to taste this first. It's Cracks Aloo Bhujia. The OG Bhujia can never top anything, but let's see. Let's try this. My mom loves Bhujia, so maybe if this is good, I can buy this whole pack to her. Let's start. And yes, nothing is sponsored, nor cracks, neither Blinkit. No one is sponsoring me. So watch this till end. Okay, so let's try this first. Mm, it actually tastes good. Not up to the mark like the Bhujia one, but I will give it a solid 9 on 10. So the second product is going to be Cracks Korean hot and spicy noodles. Can you just believe this? Like Cracks has Korean version. Mm. Let's try this as well. Mm. It smells something that I had before. Okay, it's more on a bland side. It doesn't have that proper Korean taste, but it has some aftertaste, which we can call Korean. Okay, so I can give it a 5 out of 10. Good for kids. So next item we have is zero, which has no palm oil, zero trans fat, zero preservatives, 100% taste. Potato chips. Oh my god! Even Cracks is telling me to go on a proper diet, but I can't. Let's try this. Yeah, it smells like potato chips. It smells like it has oil, but no palm oil. So let's try this. Mm. Mm. It just seriously doesn't have palm oil. It's actually good if this is healthy. Comment down below if this is actually healthy. Because this is literally, it tastes like that Mondelez packet chips, which are the OGs on birthdays. It tastes same. It's 10 on 10. Hmm. The next one is Cracks Curls. And just look at the packet. It's huge on my face. And it literally have this much of product, which is, and it's just for rupees. No, it's for rupees 60, not just. But yeah, Blinkit has some offer going on which I had got it for around 30-40 rupees. So it's good. It has corn in this. So it's chatmata masala. There were variants, I guess American cream, something, and all of that. But I wanted this because it has a chatakedar blue color. And it tastes good. It's 8 on 10. If you just want a snacking option by watching a movie or getting some beer, it's perfect. Mm. This this one, it's Cracks crunchy noodles. Like those packet of chow mein ya noodles, something in pink color packet. You can get it on at local grocery store. I have had that, but Cracks has a noodle version. Let's try. Let's try. Hmm. The shape is just like the Korean version, and it tastes pretty okay. It doesn't have anything like noodle rather than shape. 5 on 10. 5 on 10. 5 out of 10. The next one is this. It's Cracks Fritz. And just look at this color. It's something related to that Cheetos color, the black and orange color snacks. The packaging looks yummy. Let's see how it tastes because it has written corn and potato sticks with peri peri sauce. So maybe it's going to be cut and it's non-fried. I'm getting healthy versions of snacks for you guys. I'm not having. Let me try one more. I don't know why I'm not liking this. I want to like this. It's thicker. It's crunchy. Main, it's non-fried, but I don't know why I'm not liking this. Maybe as a snack, we Indians don't like that spiciness in the snack version. Maybe that's the reason. But it's good. If someone offer me a hot rice and on that topped it with this peri peri masala, I'm going to like it. But as a snack version, I'm not liking it. So I'll give 8 on 10. It's good, but not as a snack good. Yeah, I'm not liking it. Let's keep it aside. So the next one is, oh yeah, I was talking about this. Like when I saw this, I was like, since childhood, where was this? Where was this? Choco rings. Snacks as choco ring version, and I never knew this. My local stores never brought it. So this is something different. And it also has Super Bubble Blast Aqua Toy. Now I also want that toy. Let's eat first and then search the toy inside. Okay. Oh wow, it's actually rings. Mm, it's good. It's seriously good. As a cereal, this is perfect. I'm going to have this tomorrow with milk and add Insta story. Mm, it's good. It's literally good. As a snack, too, it's good. It's so good. Where was it? Where was it all the time? It's for rupees 25. Oh, now we have to search for the gift. Is there any gift from what? There's no gift. Oh, yeah, that is. That is. There is, guys. Super Bubble Blast with Aqua Toys. I got and Aqua Toys. I wanted the Super Bubble. Is this some kind of Super Bubble? So it's a tortoise car. I didn't want this. But as far as I remember, I used to buy cracks, snacks just for these toys. And actually, cracks used to taste good. Next, we have cracks begins. It looks like Cheetos and it has cheese. So I have high hopes on this one as well. Let's try. Right. After all this, why this is not opening, bro? Ugh. Huh. It smells like cheese, fake cheese. Mm, mm. It tastes like cheese balls. If you don't find cheese balls, you can go with this. And this is seriously so big. Mm. It's 10 on 10. Mm. The tower is getting huge. And mom has given me rubber bands so that I can pack all this. So I have to pack this all before she comes. The next one is fryams. We all have fryams in our household. Like Indian household is filled with papads and fryams, but Cracks has this version of fryams. Why? Why Cracks? We don't need to. Me, let's try. मेरे दांत ना बाहर आता. It's filled. It's filled literally till here. This looks sad. I don't know why. Maybe it's too white. Mm-mm. Don't buy yours. If you're someone who love fryams, go with the Kela ones rather than this. Or I'll just bring the packets and you can fry at home. It's a no-no. Like 1 out of 10. Next we have पास्ता क्रंच चाइनीज तड़का नूडल्स हो गए अब पास्ता लेट्स ट्राई इवन आई थिंक पास्ता में भी वो चाउमीन में जो बता रही थी पास्ता में भी वो वेरिएंट है आई हैव हैड दैट never knew Cracks has this version too. This is how it looks perfect like a pasta. चाइनीज चटका पटका वो बड़ा भाई है ये इसका छोटा भाई है सिर्फ हाइट में बड़ा हो गया I'm trying to enhance his taste by eating three. बड़ा भाई ही रहेगा. It's 500. Next we have cheese balls. Oh, we also have cheese balls. What was that? Biggies and cheese balls. Let's see. But I just love Crack's packaging. It looks so vibrant. Like the colors, the combination, everything is so good on this package. And others just look like man, like just Lays and all. Those packaging is like, and Cracks is like some party popper. If you feel so, like this video. It smells same. The fake cheese. And why this sweet? Let me have a look. It's sweet. It's nothing like cheese. The biggies is more like cheese balls than the cheese balls. And it has written cheese ball. Mouth-watering fun with a cheese bite, light and crispy, a total delight. It's nothing like that. You can skip this. It's 0.5 out of 10. And I think this is the last. The last one we have ragi chips. Like, Cracks has a healthier version called ragi chips. If this is good. And this costs 50 rupees. But if this is healthy, it's worth it. Let's try healthy, tasty. Then you do it. Oh, it has peri peri masala. Goodness of millet. It's actually good. If you like ragi, then it's good. It doesn't have that proper flavor, but you can feel that it's healthy. And it just has a pinch of peri peri masala. You can have it. For healthy snacking, you can seriously have it. It's good. So that's it for today's video. Neither Blinkit nor Cracks. No one is sponsored. So you can like, share this video and subscribe. And if you like this type of video, please do comment or at least like, do something that I can get your signal and I will start the series called Blinkit Finds. So this was episode 1 of Blinkit Finds and I enjoyed it. So you can buy the snacks if you want and don't forget to tag me in the stories too that you had tried the snack from Blinkit by watching my videos. Bye for now. Let's meet after a few days.